today we're going to create a greetings card, specifically a happy birthday card. So we're going to start by opening Word for Windows and clicking blank document. Now, if you can't see a ruler at the top and the left, what you need to do is go to View and click Ruler. Because if I click that, you can see my ruler disappears, and if I click it again, my ruler appears again. Once you've done that, you can then click on the Layout menu, and we're going to change this from a portrait document into a landscape one by clicking on Orientation and then Landscape. Click Margins, which is next to Orientation. Go right to the bottom where it says Custom Margins. Click that, and then you're going to change top, left, bottom, right, all to zeros. So just type in a 0, press the Tab key on your keyboard, press 0, tab, 0, tab, 0. And once they're all zeros, you can click OK. And once you get this little warning from Word, just click Ignore. And now you can see all of our margins have been changed to 0. We then need to give ourselves 2 columns because we're going to fold the card once it's printed down the middle. So if you click the column menu, that's again in your layout menu ribbon, and just click number 2, that now separates this page into 2 columns. And if I go to the little line just above the arrow here and then click and drag, that mirrors the other column, and we've now got 2 evenly spaced columns. Now, once we print this page out and bend it or fold it in the middle, this side on the right hand side is our front page and the left side is our back page. So the right side is the one that we'll be working on. So our cursor is right at here on the top left, just here. So what we're going to do is just press Enter until we're on the right hand side of our document. Now, just to show you what you can do, I'm going to type happy birthday, and I'm then going to center that by going to my home menu and clicking on the center justification button. Then I'm going to drag my mouse across it to highlight it. And once I've done that, I'm then going to click on my Insert menu. Go along the ribbon until I see Word Art and then click that. And then choose from one of these funky designs. So I'm going to choose that one. And then I can put my mouse on the frame until it changes to this cross, this movement cross arrow, and just move it to somewhere that's more in the middle. Once I've done that, I can press my Enter key a few times, and then I'm going to insert a picture. So I'm going to go up to my Insert menu and click on Pictures. And just for example purposes, let's go to Stock Images. And these are provided by Microsoft. They are copyright free, so go ahead and use whatever one you want. And I'd like a birthday one. So in the search, I'm going to type birthday, and then it's going to bring up lots of images relating to birthdays. I'm going to pick this one here. And then I'm going to click Insert. Now you'll see that bubbles appear on the outside frame of the image. If I click on the side or the top, it'll get either taller and shorter if I click at the top, or wider or narrower if I click on the left or the right. And that can kind of change the aspect ratio and can make things look a little bit strange. She could look super squashed or overly elongated. So I'm just going to press Control Z to undo what I just did there. And then if I click one of the corner arrows, it keeps the aspect ratio as it should be. And then I can just move it like that. And that looks a lot better. And then with this frame, the text frame, if I click it again, it brings up a dotted frame on the outside. And then I'm just going to drag the frame until it matches the outside of the picture. And then my writing won't go outside this frame. So then if I highlight those words, I can then go up to my menu and click on the increase font size button and can make it a lot bigger. And there you go. There's a happy birthday card. Now, if I print that, I can then fold it down the middle and write on the inside. I hope you enjoyed watching this super simple geeky gadget guide to creating a birthday card in Word.